About a year ago, the Culinary Arts program at Kapi olani Community College sought to redefine what culinary education could potentially be by offering short-term, intensive, deep dive courses that took students outside of the classroom and placed them into real-world industry. We developed the ACE program, which stands for Advanced Culinary Experiences, which seeks to provide, as the name says, transformational experiences. These classes has provided the opportunity for students to travel all over the island of Oahu and also the world, including 2 weeks in Barcelona, Spain, and over a week in Fukuoka, Japan. One of the growing themes is how we accentuate the resources we have within our state. Thus, this semester, we aim to focus on various Hawaii industries and how it ties into the culinary arts scene. We began to look at potential partnerships that would allow us to view various agricultural industry. We've partnered thus far with groups such as the Pono Collective on coffee, which has been extremely successful. Building on that success, we turned to the Saltonstall-Kennedy grant with NOAA and set our sights on looking at Hawaii's aquaculture industry. With the support of the Saltonstall-Kennedy grant, we are able to fund a program that will take 12 culinary students to the Big Island to learn about Hawaii's aquaculture industry at the Hawaii Ocean Science and Technology Park, administered by NELHA, also known as the Natural Energy of Hawaii Authority. Students will have the opportunity to visit corporations such as Big Island Abalone, who specialize in cold, pure seawater to produce Japanese northern abalone, and Blue Ocean Mariculture, whose company produces the Hawaiian kampachi for the Kona Coast offshore facility. Through the Saltonstall-Kennedy NOAA grant, we have also created over 30 cooking videos on various locally caught seafood with chefs from our Culinary Arts program. They include akule, ahi, Kauai shrimp, manchong, swordfish, marlin, and tilapia in a multitude of preparations. To top it all off, one of Hawaii's top chefs, Chef Alan Wong, has agreed to join the tour as a guide, instructor, and mentor for the students on this trip to the island of Hawaii. Through the support of the Saltonstall-Kennedy grant, we will also be able to document this entire journey to share with others and hopefully be a model for the new generation of culinary education.